Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Sam here. I'll be doing the free video for June 15th, 2020. So in Friday's video, we looked at a couple of stocks. We looked at Etsy, we looked at Peloton, Shopify, Coop, and maybe one more. So I'd just like to kind of go back and see what happened there with those. For the most part, they all moved really well today. A lot of them still have really good setups, like Etsy that's in front of us right now. It has everything that I'm looking for. You know, it's above the 618, holding the 21, squeeze, indicator position is solid. So with this particular setup right there, and then you have all these subsequent really good intraday setups to go with it. I am looking for Etsy to get back to the highs right around 88. And if not, just flat out exceed the highs. So, good move today off of for Etsy here, and I think it continues. The other one we looked at was Peloton, another big move here, above the highs, which was 49. So the fact that this one can really get started, pushing its way into the 50s and settling in there, really makes a lot of sense here. Now that it's broken above 49 on a close, which had been resistance. It still has a squeeze, still has momentum, and it kind of plays well with the COVID story. So I'd be looking for this one to retest 52.64, followed by 56.40. Another one that we talked about on Friday was Shop. So Shop here, it had a pretty nice catalyst. I'll give it that. But at the end of the day, the chart said something good was coming. So big day here in Shop. It's broken above the 618. This squeeze is about to slingshot higher, meaning it's about to do that. As opposed to being flat and then doing that, it's about to do that and then that, which is pretty powerful. On Shop, I have trades looking to take it right back to the high, right around 844. I'm looking for butterflies at 850, 25 wide, to take advantage of the potential that we could just kind of land in this zone by Friday and just hang out there. So Shop looks great here. Looks like it's got quite a lot of meat left on the bone. The next target's 810, followed by 844, and then above 844, new all-time high. And it gets there from that daily squeeze. Let me show you a couple of new ones for this pick, or for today at least. So I'm getting these from my own scanner that I have built into Toss. It's part of a class that I've been doing, and the picks on the scanner have been quite good because they're looking for squeezes and specific momentum profiles, which is perfect. So one of the picks was NVAX. I think this one's setting up really big. It's had a huge day today. It's up 12%, but you can see it's got a high compression squeeze right there and a regular squeeze that's about to round out. So it's holding the 21. You've got this a little bit of a wedge pattern here. Good volume. Indicators above zero. High compression squeeze. This thing looks like it could really take off. On this one, because it is so explosive, I'm actually looking at something like out of the money calls. Just with time, because the setup is so explosive and it can move so big. This setup here would take it, into the 80s. So huge setup here in NVAX. Keep an eye on it. And then the other one is going to be net. And a new high here on net. Pretty solid pattern as well, right? You have a flat top here on net that it could not get above. If you look at the price action below, you see how each low has been sequentially higher. That's pretty good. You see how each low has held the 21 on a close, therefore making kind of a triangle consolidation, and then you get the breakout. So do you have good volume here? You do. Are you above the high? You are. Did you trigger the squeeze? You did. Did your indicators all do the thing they're supposed to do? They did. So net here looks pretty solid to me. Lots of juice left in this because of the high compression. So I'd be looking for continuation in net higher. So just wanted to bring you a couple of picks and then look at the ones from last week. If you guys are interested in checking out more, check us out at simplertrading.com. And this is this kind of stuff we do every day. If you're interested in more of my stuff, whether you've seen it on YouTube, on the website, or on Facebook, or wherever you've seen my stuff, if you're interested in more of my stuff, learning the strategy, getting the indicators, etc., I did have a class this last Saturday. And then I'll be doing live trading tomorrow. So I'll be doing live trading for that class tomorrow. It's not too late to sign up for the live trading and get the class. So just go to simplertrading simplertrading.com/money if you'd like to sign up for the class. And today's would be the last day to sign up for the live trading. So if you get a chance and you want to check out the class and do the live trading with me tomorrow, then check out simplertrading.com/money to sign up for the class. All right, guys, that's my time. Next time that I'm with you, we'll come back and see how these did. But a handful of good picks here. The ones from last week I think are still good, and then the ones that I think I just brought you right now I think are set up for this week as well. All right, guys, thanks for the time. I'll see you for the next one. Cheers.